Jikumuhia.
Information. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Nothing is out of order. I was giving very critical information that we are speaking of the Republic of Sudan. It is not Republic of South Sudan. Republic of South Sudan is in peace and sound. It is Republic of South Sudan. Sudan. Sorry. Thank you.
Honorable Hussein, you had the floor.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I wish to make my contribution to this motion, which I feel is extremely very important and timely. As you know, Sudan is a neighbor and a very important member in IGAD, and we have quite a number of our students there. I lived there in Khartoum, and even now, I get a number of calls from students in Khartoum who are all calling for evacuation from Khartoum, where the fight is going on. So I wish to join my colleague and support this motion by saying that every diplomatic effort no effort should be spared in seeing mediation or resolution of this conflict in Khartoum. And in the meantime, let's do all that is possible as a government to rescue our students who are there. There are quite a number, and I'm sure there are over 2,000 students or 3,000 students in Khartoum who are from Kenya, and they're all crying for help. So let us spare no effort in rescuing our students from that war. Thank you very much.
The Honorable Christine Ombaka, member for Siaya County.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for this giving me this opportunity. I just want to also support the motion because Kenyans are suffering in Sudan, and Sudan has always been known to be